Naveli. I am with Mr. Pacheco Fernandez in Dongori ward of Naveli village, Punjab. I am very proud of Mr. Pacheco because he had shown interest and he said like he want to compost his own kitchen wet waste. I have been a teacher by profession. Myself and my wife both are earning our livelihood through our profession. But out of our monthly income, we share around 25% for this good cause, social cause I can say, and we don't charge anybody want the units or any awareness program. We go all over Goa or even sometime outside Goa, and I give free of cost such units. So to see that people can do good use of their kitchen wet waste by turning into compost. Now I'll explain you about this unit and then we'll see the experience of Mr. Pacheco. Now wet waste composting is very simple. Wet waste we consider as a green waste. So in order to do compost we require green, that is kitchen wet waste, and we require something brown, that is garden waste, either dry leaves or here we have some wood chippings. And this composter is a aerobic composter. We require air circulation, and this is very simple PVC drum with a drain outlet here. Every time when you insert wet waste inside, you need to level it and you need to cover it with wood chippings. This is brown. Now why you require browns? Because some moisture is there, you need to balance the moisture. This brown will absorb the moisture and it will help the wet waste to get a good aeration. So the porosity will increase and the air circulation will take place. Every day you should not churn it, but you require to use certain enzymes. Now here we are using a mixture of jaggery water and fermented with the help of dry yeast. Now this is around 2 to 3 weeks fermented jaggery water. Every time when you put your kitchen wet waste, you need to sprinkle a few drops of this jaggery water and then sprinkle just a little quantity of browns, that is wood chippings or dry leaves, and then close. But you should remember, once the leachate starts coming, you need to open the tap and every day you need to drain the leachate. This is a liquid organic manure. You need to dilute with a ratio of 1 liter this leachate and 1 liter fresh water and use it for your kitchen garden. Pacheco Bob, I congratulate you and your family for showing interest to compost your kitchen wet waste and turn it into compost where you can use it for your kitchen garden or ornamental plants. Please share your experience and how you thought of going for this composting, so with your example others can follow this same type of practice where instead of dumping the wet waste by the roadside, they can use their wet waste, turn into compost and grow their own vegetables or fruit bearing plants or ornamental plants. So Pacheco Bob, please share your experience.
At the outset, let me thank Mr. Uliterio for providing me this. Though it was always the back of my mind to treat the waste, but I didn't know how to go about it. Finally, I just took some courage and went to his place and told him, Bob, I just want to do something for the garbage, whatever garbage we are producing at home, the kitchen garbage. And he was overwhelmed and really told me, don't worry, I'll tell you everything. So this bin and everything he has provided me free of cost. Let me be very clear on that. He has provided me free of cost. He had given me all the inputs how to do about it.
Hi friends, today we will learn how to prepare a very simple composter to compost our daily kitchen wet waste. All you require is some skills and some material. Here we took a PVC drum of 50 liter. You require PVC tap to connect as a drainage, then adapter along with a rubber visor for the tap, to fasten to prevent leakage. Also you require Teflon tape, which mostly used for plumbing. This Teflon tape will be used to fasten the tap to prevent the leakage. You require marker, scissor, driller with 10 mm drill bit to make holes for the aeration. Very simple to operate this driller if you have a working skill. Now you need to mark a hole around from the bottom 2 inch and drill hole of half an inch where you need to fix a tap to drain the leachate. Yes, now the tap need to be fixed, and then inside need to put a visor and Teflon tape and fasten it so it should not be kept loose, otherwise the leachate will leak out. Now the tap is fixed. Then around the neck you need to drill holes with a driller with a 10 mm drill bit. Keep in mind between each and every hole keep 2 inch distance. Drill hole all around the neck by judgment, or you can mark a 2 inch distance between each hole. Drill holes all around the neck. Now our holes are ready. Almost our composter is ready. Okay, here we have Mr. Peter Gomes and his wife from Kurtori, Salsette, and I'm very happy to offer this wet waste composter to them. This will add to our collection all over Goa. We have 1021 composter, and this will be 1022 composter. And I'm very happy Peter and family have shown interest to use their kitchen wet waste to turn into compost. And I'm giving this composter to Mr. Peter and their family, where they will set an example in their village of Kurtori or other neighborhood how to turn their kitchen wet waste into compost by using such composters. Just now I have shown him how to do such composters, very simple process, and I hope Mr. Peter will also do this type of composter and make awareness in his village. So all the best, Mr. Peter. Carry on this and spread awareness in your village.
Compost, raw fruit and veggies at school or for your yard. It's nature's way of recycling, and it isn't very hard. Separate trash to remove glass, paper, plastic, and tin. Separate food and yard waste and put them in a compost bin. Compost, raw fruit and veggies at school or for your yard. It's nature's way of recycling, and it isn't very hard. Newspaper leaves and grass, fruit and vegetable skins. These things are compostable. Please put them in the bin. Tiny organisms, bacteria, fungi, and worms. Eat up all of the waste and turn it into plant food.